we're like tweaking, and all of a sudden we're like, all right, it would not make this noise like a punch. We're like, all right, if someone's here, make a noise, and it just went boom, and then the lights started flickering. Oh, yeah. I swear to God, and Anthony grabs a fucking pan, and we all just start running. We ran all the way out the building.
It's just like a glow. I don't know.
Yeah, it was like
a glow.
It was like glowing. You think it was a glow just from the light?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It was a human-shaped figure.
It was like it was running just straight, like no up and down.
Y'all are tweaking that. Well, I can say right now, I do not care enough to go figure out what the fuck is over there.
I witnessed Bigfoot today.
I want to see it so fucking bad.
Just bring one of those launchers.
I want to go up there and get the scariest jump scare of my life.
Bro, Anthony, switch bets. You better make sure this door's locked.
It's locked.
These windows shut. He said, many of you remember our local story from last February about Ken Collins, local Bigfoot investigator who came to us with evidence of a possible Bigfoot in our area. Ken is back with what he thinks is more proof of this mysterious creature.
When you saw it, did it look like it was walking or just like floating?
I felt like I could see strides, but his head, like it wasn't bobbing up and down.
Yeah, it was like the head went by.
I literally could feel like it was like...
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're in Salt Lake City now. I just feel like we're on a fucking like university tour nationwide.
College tour I never went on.
I should have did this bitch 2 years ago.
I'd be fucking going here.
I would have most definitely not have went to Cato. I'm telling you right now.
You're lying.
Okay, low key, that is view too.
Why does the U have some shit like this?
Let me take a little moment to find the right words. To find the right
Okay. What? Hey.
I think we forgot to pack salt, so we got some right here. I'm gonna try it.
Try it.
Salt.
Hey, y'all have a race. I'll go down there. Right here. This is the line right here.
All right, I'll count down. 3, 2, 1, go! Wait, where's the line? Right here?
I got him!
I could just see him just outstepping me.
How's it feel
bad.
to be a winner?
Hurts so bad.
What do I get? A kiss from Ben.
Get roadhead next time you drive.
What?
Okay, this is how that thing, the Bigfoot last night, we saw
I
it.
demonstrated. Yeah, his head was not moving. It was kind of like this, kind of. Yes.
Y'all saw a glizzy, boy.
Yeah. How long did you use that for?
He's packing.
What?
Wait, what?
Bro.
Bigfoot.
So we pulled up, we were gonna go to McDonald's because that was the only thing that looked like it was open. Fuck McDonald's, bro. They made us try to do too much. What's it? Shout out Del Taco.
You tried it yet?
It's honestly better than T-Bell. Bro, you gotta try it. I thought it was bad.
There goes the taco. That shit is pretty good.
Yeah.
That shit is actually real good. Low key, they're plugging with the burritos. These bitches are kind of
He's gonna
big.
get us eating. He's gonna cut to the next scene. We're all gonna be yakking in the fucking bathroom.
I don't know, bro.
Imagine all got fucking.
This shit it has a lot of beans in it. I don't even taste the meat.
Yeah, we're gonna have to stop soon. We might not be able to finish this meal.
It's good for fast
We're
food.
gonna take an intermission from this meal.
Intermission. Boy's an artist. Look how he got this. Look how he got it.
San fucking Fran.
Good morning, San Francisco, baby. Oh my God, we've been up for more than 24 hours. And guess where we are? Guess where we are? Just wait. Ben and Avro are fucking dead in the back of the van. They were kind of starting to smell a little bit, so put them in the fridge. So they, listen to this. So they baited the fuck out of you and me and so these motherfuckers for the opening scene set on the park baited you, making you think that the crib was on those colorful ass buildings. But in reality, this bitch is like 10 to 15 minute walk down into the city. Completely different house, and then they never even filmed inside the house. All right, bro, if y'all ever wonder what a $6 million home looked like in San Francisco, this is it, bro. The full house, the original.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh my God. I can't touch it. Watch, the security finna catch us. Bro, there's so many security cameras on this bitch. Pose. All right, hold on. You see this right here? Now go watch the intro to the bro. This is some crazy shit. In the intro, the ground is flat. Like this whole thing
It's like
flat the entire way, and they're like having a picnic right here in front of that.
Definitely did something.
If this hill just like kept going.
Y'all hear the song? Tell me that's not a hit.
You don't even want to leave.
It's just like a nice.
You just want to look at it.
It's just a nice spot to just chill. Like I don't even want to leave. I just want to sit. I'm about to start falling down this bitch.
So here you go. That's about it. Kitchen.
Yeah.
Stove.
Yes, sir.
Is there an oven?
We should.
Wait, is there an oven?
I don't know if there's an oven,
No
but there's
way.
there's a stove.
How is it not?
One better.
Good. Nice little TV. Actually, that's a good sized TV. Oh, bathroom's solid. Nice little bedroom. What is one? Oh damn. What you think?
I like it. It's small, but nice and cozy.
My expectations, bro, this school right here. I'm sorry, bro. This is one of the ugliest campuses I've ever seen. I don't even know if this was on my list for transfer, but fucking is not now. God damn. Since most things are closed, we took our ass to Chinatown. There's a lot of like little tiny markets like on the sides. It reminds me literally of Ecuador. Like every corner is just like. What you think, Ariel?
This place is sick. See that fish back there?
I don't know if you guys remember, but I did this show with Taj, Lance, and Blake a long ass time ago. Like long ass time. You guys can scroll down in the channel, you'll see it. I don't know if it's the same one, but it's pretty much the same shit. I made some right here for me and Layton. We're gonna get his reaction, isn't it? I'm excited. I'm hungry as fuck. You excited?
Hell no.
And the last words before you crying in the bathroom.
No, bro, I'll be straight. Watch. I'm not gonna.
Is it gonna
Like
make
Shaq said, I'm not gonna make a face.
Yep, a nice big one.
I'm not gonna make a face. I'm trying to enjoy it, bro. Fuck am I listening to?
It's good. It is really
Is this
good.
hotter than the blazing wings?
No.
Really?
No.
It's kinda hot.
Ben Nass feeling it now. Oh, I know, but it's good. Bro, that's just stuck.
It's actually pretty good.
It is really more. You good? Yeah, I'm good. You turn it a little. It's hot. Bro, it's fucking freezing. What? It's cold as fuck.
I got sand in my eye. Oh!
Wait, what?
No way!
Layton is not having it, bro.
Let's go!
Oh, I'm supposed to get down there. This is a real question.
It's really not that hard.
With one manual though?
He went down this!
What? So you're lying. Oh! What?
Bro, he's already
No way! What the fuck? Alright, bro. I should have brought the GoPro for this one. Oh! Bro, look.
This is the last hard one, I think.
Oh! No way! Oh! I knew I should have brought the damn GoPro. Oh, I'm scared of snakes. There better not be a snake. Oh. Shit. Motherfuckers are really trying to kill me now.
As if I could make it up the last one.
Alright, bro. So I'm editing this video for San Fran, right? Listen. Obviously, you guys don't know, but I got a new mic. This shit hopefully is gagged. Then, bro, I had the Rode Mini microphone, whatever, blah blah. Obviously, it's an ass microphone, and we're in San Francisco, a windy ass state. Obviously, the clips that are in this, I can't use. Like, it doesn't work. We had no time to sleep. We decided we wanted to go to this park. Moral of the story, pull up to the park. It's windy as shit up on top, so I'm like, bro, let's go down, let's go explore. And we go down, and we go right back up. Like, it's like, we went down, the wind was fine, and we went right back up on top of the mountain. Bro, come on now. The whole time, the audio is just dick. Like, I might as well throw the clips away. But listen, bro, so we're sitting there, we're climbing this, like, I don't even know, that's not even grass, it's just like, you know, like succulents, bro. We were walking on those. Anyway, we're walking on the edge, bro, and I shit you not, pretend like this is what we were walking on. This, bro, is like a 500 fucking 1,000-foot drop. Wow, we were tweaking. Anyway, let's get back to the video.
We are in the forest.
It's a rat!
What? Bro.
What the fuck?
Right here. You might as well snowboard. Oh, that's damn near gonna get stuck on all of it.
Alright, bro. It's starting to come to this point where I just think I need to fucking do a whole entire voiceover for this whole entire video. The whole next part. Wait, what even is the next part? So after running on the mountain, we went home and got some sleep. The next day, first things first, we went to the Golden Gate Bridge. We walked across it, and then we literally hiked on top of this hill. We waited there for the fog to go up. I guess we kind of technically just got like the San Francisco like notorious fog experience, I guess. We're sitting on top there. We're like, all right, we might as well go explore. So there's this little like open little fence. Technically, it is trespassing. There was no signs, blah, blah, whatever the fuck. Like, come on, bro. Everywhere I go. Oh, okay. It's windy as hell, but we're up looking at the Stone Arch, the Golden Gate over there. We jumped over this fence, but look at this view.
Trying to hold like a cannon right here. Or something.
Is it hard to get over there? What? Is there a path? Kind of. Oh! Alright, we're making our way down close to the bottom. It's literally all just crap. We went down there, we're posted up there, we're taking some pictures, looking at the view, we're sitting there for a little bit, listening to some music. It's windy as shit. So all the audio, some of the audios might be salvageable, but from the shit that I've seen, we might as well throw the damn video away. Cause I hate doing this shit, but might as well. So we're sitting on top of there, and this police is like, well, you got the trespass thing, you guys have to leave. Like, alright, bro, fine. We took a picture with bro. We got that way? Alright, so we were down there, heard some sirens. I was like, Merch. The cop was like, you guys are trespassing. Now it looks like it's coming up. And we left, and from there, we literally went into the city. We started exploring the city. Like I said, we were sleep deprived. I had no energy. I don't know what was to me. I didn't film much, and when I did, the audio was trash. Thank you guys for this damn mic. Thank you to myself for finding this mic. And now, let's get back into the video and see what else. Hopefully I don't have to fucking see you guys again like right here, so let's run it. Alright, so we were walking around town, we were about to get some food. We were gonna get some like fish and chips, and that bitch came up to like $23. Look at my sandwich. $7.99. My God.
I'll whip it out for comparison.
Oh, what? We're getting fucking attacked by the birds.
My whole sandwich is gone.
We're on the beach. Whoa. It's a hair desert in that bitch. I don't know what the fuck we're doing. But... Hey guys. Bro. Yo. I'm a dog. Do I gotta watch out? What? No way. So we were literally just talking about like whales, right? Like the best months to come. And now there's Free Willy right out there.
You know, we saw some whales. I did a whale call. Yeah, we were talking about the whales or some shit, and I was like, let me do a real whale call real quick. As soon as I did that, the whales came out. We've been seeing whales for like 30 minutes now.
Going out to that ledge. Second day in San Francisco. We're at Muscle Rock Beach, I think. Pretty cool. But it's been cloudy as fuck this entire trip, but it's still been dope as fuck. Yeah. Got this beautiful view. It's kind of dark now, but it's so sick.
The whole time I have not been recording. We're on Height Street. A lot of stores, like a fuck ton of stores. We all ran up and checked.
We all got shoes.
Yes, sir.
We got some new shirts.
Yep.
Not really new, but I mean.
Yeah, we're trying to go to like the thrifted, or not, we're trying to go to like the vintage stores and stuff. Went into one of them. It was fucking like sprayed us down.
Right there.
Gave us go, oh yeah. And then we walked in there and it was a whole waste of time. The bitches from like the 1700s. Like I'm not wearing that.
Older than that. 1880s.
Yeah.
Oh my.
No way.
Ashbury and what was the street again? Height Street at Slice House Pizza.
Boom.
One by everybody knows rules. I'm gonna give it a 6.1.
What do you give it, Arrow?
It's looking like a 7.5.
I'll get a 7.2.
It's got good crisp, but I don't know, something about the taste of it.
Yeah, the sauce kind of off. Yeah, pulled up at the new.
Hell no.
Pulled up at the new park. We went to, this is a naked beach. We're about to just go butt naked.
Oh, that's?
No.
Ah! It actually might be.
Oh,
No,
fuck no.
it's not.
Anything for the pictures. Like I said, hit the gram. Yep. Bro, so the other beaches we went to the other days, not busting at all. This one?
Busting. Coronavirus ain't thing around here. People just don't care. 60 degrees and people out here popping out at the beach. Like,
I mean, we're at the beach too.
jeez.
I thought you said looking at that.
Bro, it's
I
cold.
was kidding when I said nude beach. Like I just gotta look at the damn ocean. Like come on.
Loki getting a chub.
What?
Okay.
Bro, I was trying to just get a look at the fucking hill over there. I was like, oh, maybe we could climb this. All of a sudden I turn my head, just get flashed by a fucking sack. I don't know where the fuck we are.
I forgot what it's called. I have to look on maps real
We're
quick.
at the lookout.
Land's End Trail.
Yeah. We're at Land's End.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Land's End.
Oh, I thought we weren't going here.
I guess we're here now.
Go to that one
this
place.
is my suggestion, so.
Better be good.
This shit better be nice.
It is, trust me.
That's the Sutro Baths right there. What is that?
I don't know, I saw it on TikTok.
Again. We're on 7. Look what bro has got us into. Look at this shit.
Hey, we're going out there where he is. Flash zone right here. Oh shit!
Go! Oh my god! These are what the San Francisco fucking university dorms look like. Look, they give you the couches and the beds.
For an extra 50 grand a semester, you can stay in there.
Hell yeah.
And then for 30K, you can stay in the jail cell up there.
Let's go in there. What the fuck is that?
What's up, UJ? Shout out.
Shout out,
Rob
Paul.
Hansen. Yes, sir. If you watching.